Page 16, the First Noel. 3/4 time, so we only have to count to 3. I'm counting quarter notes, so we got all kinds of eighth notes here and dotted rhythms. And on top of that, they put in a bunch of F sharps. Remember, an F is here. So an F sharp, just go up the keyboard one key to here. So all the F, or when you see that sharp sign in front of an F, you play this note instead of that note. Use the same finger you would, so whatever position you're in, they want you to start with second finger on E. So you got third finger on F, so go ahead and use third finger for the F sharp. Here. The left hand starts at the third finger on B, so we're not in middle C position here. We're here actually, kind of they're sharing D, the thumbs are on D. So it's coming on beat 3, 3 and. 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and that dotted quarter note. 1 and 2 and 3. So the quarter note gets a count, the dot gets half a count, and then the eighth note comes on the rest of it. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and. Don't forget the F sharp. Lift up between the phrase, just a little up and down. And that's really the trickiest part of the whole thing. If you can get that, the rest of this shouldn't be too hard. It's because it's very repetitious. Eventually you're going to want to speed it up, but you probably heard recordings of this song. But learn it slow and keep it slow until you can play it accurately. No hesitations or anything anywhere. It's got to be flow all the way through. Now I would like to check it with you. The notes and the rhythms, I want to play it with you slowly. And we'll play it together. To make sure you're playing the same note I'm playing at the same time I'm playing it. And we come in on beat 3, so I'm only going to give us 2 counts. So be ready to go. It's going to go ready and go and type thing. Ready and go and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 2 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 2 3. One and 2 and off. There's a duet at the bottom of page 16. So assuming you can play this and play it a little faster than we did, let's do the duet together. But again, I need you to go up the keyboard. So just pretend middle C, went up here to this C, and play it all up here in this position. So you're here. So we're going to go about a 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and. So make sure you can play it that fast before trying it with me, because so you can't hesitate anywhere. It's got to go all flow straight through it. So go ahead and put your hands in position. I'll give us 2 counts. Let's try it out. Now the duet part doesn't have a beat on your pickup. So I'm going to play those notes along with you, but I'm going to play them down low. And then I'll play the duet part. Ready and go and.